Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be learning how you can sign up on PayPal and receive payment without having a bank account. So if you don't have a credit card to link on your PayPal account or a bank account altogether, you can still receive payment, and I'm going to teach you how you can make a PayPal Me. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to go to paypal.com simply by typing this link in your browser, and then from here you want to click on sign up. So from here you will get the options to create a personal account or a business account. We're going to create a personal account for this matter, so make sure it's selected on this and hit get started. From there it will ask you what country or region you're from, so select that and make sure you select the country that you are currently in, because there might be some verifications later on in the future where they ask you to verify where you're from, or they will connect the location, and if it doesn't match on what you have selected, your account might be locked out. So make sure to select the right country and then press on get started. They will send a code to the number that you selected, so keep that phone which is connected to that number near you so that you get the code and create your account. It will take you to this step right now where you have to add your address and to add some kind of verification that I was telling you about. So for example, you can choose your national ID, your passport, or a driver's license, and then to write the ID number here, fill in the rest of your information, and then press on agree and continue, and then press on agree and create account. So it will then redirect you onto this page where it will ask you to choose from these three options, where you can like shop, send money, or you can choose to do that later and press on not now. So hit that not now button, and then it will ask you to link a card from now. You will also press on not now, and then you will get access to your PayPal account right away. Now that you have your PayPal account, there are plenty of things that you can do, but almost every single thing that you choose will actually require that you link a card or a bank. If you press on send money or request, it will redirect you to a page where you have to link your card or bank. So instead, we want to press on the request button in the top right corner right here. And from this page, you can add the username, email, or mobile of the person to request money from. But instead of doing that, you want to choose this option where it tells you to create a personal profile. So click on that option, and then it will direct you right here where it tells you that you can create a paypal.me profile, which is what we need to do right now. So press the create button, and then you can either add a photo of yourself right now or later. And now you need to choose a unique link that is memorable for you so that you don't forget about it, and you can send it to people right away and request money. After that, it will show you your profile, so you make sure the information you put is the one that you want. You agree to that your name and photo and email, everything will be shown to other people, and then you press on agree and create. And just like that, your profile is now live. Press on done. And that's really all about it. Now you have a PayPal account without a bank from which you can still receive and send money to people. So if, for example, we just like opened a new tab and then we pasted the PayPal Me link that I just created, you can send it to people that you are requesting money from, and then it will instantly take them to this page where they can press on the send button and then just send you your payments right away. And just like that, money will enter into your PayPal account without a bank account. And then you can use that money to buy online goods or online stuff. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you know how you can create your PayPal account and set up a PayPal Me without a bank account or a card. If you found this video to be helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on content just like this one.